Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the meat pan slide rail on your GE refrigerator. If you need to purchase a new meat pan slide rail for your refrigerator, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. In this video, we will only be removing one of two slide rails. These steps apply to both sides. Start by opening the doors. Then, pull the drawers forward, lift up, and pull out to remove. Remove the crisper frame by lifting up and sliding forward. Be careful as the glass panel will come out with the assembly. Remove the deli drawer by pulling forward, tilting up, and sliding out. Using a 1/4 inch nut driver, remove the two screws holding the front deli cover in place. Then, lift the cover up, being careful as it is still connected by wires. Disconnect the electrical connector by depressing the locking tab. Next, remove the rear cover by lifting it up and out. With the slide fully closed, remove the two screws holding it in place using a Phillips head screwdriver. Then, remove the slide. If you need to purchase a new slide rail, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the notches on the slide to the tabs on the support and press into place. Reinstall the two screws. Next, set the rear cover in place. Then, reconnect the electrical connector to the front cover, align it to the frame, and set back into place. Reinstall the two screws. Then, with the slides extended, set the deli drawer in place, being sure the notches on the drawer align to the tabs on the slide. Next, align the crisper frame to the tabs on the refrigerator housing and set into place. Finally, reinstall the drawers by aligning and pushing back into place. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.